Hello boys and girls. So we're going to continue with part 2 of the video. On the first part I showed you how to make the rocks or the meteors, but this time I'm going to focus on these two, mainly on the crust hatching that you see here, give you some better examples of that, and again everything goes to the vanishing point. So let's get started. So pretty much I'm just going to make a random shape. Gonna give that look, and again all our lines go to the vanishing point. I'm gonna make sure we follow it down, as best as we can, and I think the 5-minute mini videos are gonna help. Alright, so again, I'm connecting all the corner points. And this one here I can't really go behind because it's like right on the line. This one looks like it's a little bit behind, but we're just gonna go and continue it. This one goes here, like that. And then this one, we can't really go around it, but it's gonna go right behind, like that. Alright, so from this point, what I'm gonna do, let's say this, just gonna give it a little bit more like it's actually there. Alright, so from this point I'm gonna focus on the crust hatching, and I'm mainly gonna follow the lines like I had explained. This example was not very good, but on this one, let's see if we can do a better job of it. So I'm mainly following this line here and doing the same angle. And remember, the goal is to stay within the lines. Give it that nice perspective. And as I'm talking to you guys, I'm paying attention to the time. This one here is gonna, since the lines is at an angle, you're gonna have to kind of make the lines almost at the other angle. This one here, make sure you follow the lines. It's very important that you follow this angle here. I think the opposite is going better. And by following the same direction of the lines, it does give you a three-dimensional perspective of the image that you're trying to create. Now, this one here, remember again, parallel to this line here, I'm following the same parallel line. And the reason why I'm using the fine point tip is because it seems to give you a better highlight, better illusion than using the actual Sharpie. You can actually even do a little bit more. Now this angle here, remember this angle. Alright, looking good. Looking pretty good there. We're working more on the shading. Now that looks pretty good. I think this one could use a little bit more just to kind of not make it look so flat. Alright, so there you go. That gives it a nice, three-dimensional effect by actually following the lines, okay, of the design. And here you can actually do anything that you like to kind of highlight the design. Just like maybe a couple lines, nothing fancy. Just kind of give it some texture. Remember, practice on this one, same way. Let me know what you think. But again, you want to follow the same angle of the lines. By following the angles, you actually can get a nice design. Now, if watch this one here. I think when I do this one here, it's going to give it a nice dimensional, because it's almost going against the opposite direction, and you're getting a nice I'm actually going faster on this side because I'm running out of time, and I noticed that I uploaded a video, and the 5-minute videos tend to work really well. They upload really quick. So once I think I can figure out what's going on with my iPad, or I'm gonna have to find another way. So there you go. There's your 1-point perspective. I'm gonna continue with 1-point perspective this whole week, and we're gonna try different shapes, different ideas, to get the actual effect of the 1-point perspective. All right, there's your lesson of the day. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye.